Oh, my battery just died. My hands are so cold I had to use my teeth to get it out. This is getting a bit much. I need to find some shelter. Oh, I am exhausted. My limbs are numb. It's slick. It's getting dark. Look at that. There's a cabin. Oh, I've never been so glad to see shelter. Oh. Oh my goodness. I am so cold. This is a mountaineering cabin. It's a shelter from the storms for people exploring the mountains here in Alaska. There's a whole bunches of odds and ends in here. Got a little table and chairs.